If you need to export an SVG from Figma, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to take any shape, icon, or frame in your design and export it as an SVG file. This is a super useful workflow for designers, developers, and anyone who wants clean, scalable vector graphics for websites, apps, or presentations. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the object you want to export. This could be a simple shape, a custom icon, a logo, or even an entire frame, depending on what you want to save. Once the element is selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see the Export section. This is where Figma lets you choose how your design will be exported. If you don't see any export settings yet, click the plus icon to add a new export rule. As soon as you do that, Figma will create an export option for the selected layer. Now click the Format dropdown, which may already show PNG or JPG by default. Open that menu and switch the format to SVG. This tells Figma to export your selected design as a vector file instead of a raster image. After that, take a moment to check the advanced settings. Click the three dots next to the export option to open the extra controls. Here, you can adjust settings like including or excluding bounding boxes, IDs, or outline text. These options can be really important depending on how you plan to use the SVG later, especially if you're handing it off to developers or using it on the web. If you want a cleaner export, it's a good idea to review these settings before saving. Once everything looks correct, click the Export button with the layer name shown on it. Figma will generate the SVG file and download it directly to your computer. From there, you can move it into your project folder, upload it to your website, or pass it along to your team. And that's it, you've now successfully exported an SVG from Figma. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to get high-quality vector assets out of your design files. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.